UEducate, a complete digital education ecosystem. Let us see how to register and log in NCERT CAT book portal, and then how to access the book and its features. After clicking on registration button, you need to fill the details required for registration based on the student category or teacher category. Finally, you need to provide the available username and password to register. After registration, you will be receiving a one-time password (OTP) in your registered mobile number for verification. Then, log in into CAT book to explore and enjoy the revolutionary digital study era. Now, let's explore our NCERT subjects using CAT book. Every CAT book is mapped session-wise and can be accessed through the index here. Percentage progress can be viewed for every unit, chapter, and session. Enhanced multimedia-rich meta-content. The base book is enhanced with additional information on important concepts through keywords highlighted in blue. Tap them to explore high-quality content curated by subject matter experts. You can access multimedia including images, teaching videos, concept videos, explanation videos through base book as well as enhanced content all embedded within the CAT book. CAT book is also enriched with meta content like 3D models, animations, lesson plans, virtual labs. In CAT book virtual labs, every experiment is guided and offers detailed explanation and solutions. AI-enabled and multiple search. In case the student or the teacher wants more information on any particular subject that is not covered in the keywords, we have provided the CAT book with a revolutionary multi-search functionality. You can highlight and select any word or any part of the text from the CAT book and navigate to multiple search options where you can find information from various web browsers, AIs, encyclopedias, and dictionaries. Once you click on any of them, the search result will be shown right next to the book. From here, you can change the AI module or use any source to look for detailed information on that particular word or topic. You can also use the built-in AI search functionality to generate synopses and summaries, or even generate any additional content and question answers. Simply select any part of the book and click on AI search. Generate a synopsis by selecting any AI module. Smart tools for personalized learning. You can select any portion of the text and simply add your digital notes and organize them with color-coded tags. Your saved notes appear instantly in the search panel on the right. Easy to find. Whenever you need them, you can access your notes by clicking on the notes icon from the top menu as well. Taking notes and highlighting important concepts is easier than ever. With a hyperlink, connect different parts of the book for quick and easy navigation. You can also create multiple bookmarks for any session within the CAT book. 24/7 clarification. Students can raise doubts 24/7 from any part of the book or from additional content by highlighting any word of text. Once posted doubts are visible to other students and teachers in real time. The teacher can upload any multimedia to clarify the doubts. One can see how many doubts are raised in a particular session and can also check how many are clarified or yet to be clarified. Audiobook text-to-speech and audio on touch. CAT book is fully audio enabled. Listen to selected passages or the entire book at your convenience. The pistil, megasporangium, ovule, and embryo sac. For foundational classes, the rhymes and poems come to life with the audio on touch feature.
Two little hands go clap, clap, clap. Two little legs go tap, tap, tap.
CAT book's interactive activities turn early learning into an engaging experience. With support for over 100 languages, students can learn in the language they're most comfortable with. From the top, you can translate the entire book, or you can even select any word and translate only that particular word into your preferred language. The comprehensive search tool helps you locate any word or topic across the CAT book. Just type a word and CAT book shows every place it appears across units. Click any result to go directly to that part of the book. Smarter assessment for smarter learning. At the end of each chapter, you can access additional study material like a question answer bank, interactive quizzes, and self-assessments to reinforce understanding. Thank you for watching.